Hello student, welcome to in this session. This is the doubt questions, and these questions came in a SSC exam, and in concept wise it is a very good question, and we'll take two concepts in this question. What are two concepts here? Let's understand the wording of this question. I have given x plus y plus xy equal to 76, and x and y are the two integral side of a triangle. So as x and y are the two integral side of triangle, so let's say this is triangle, so this is one of the side, another side, and let's assume the third side as a z. So as these are side of triangle and these are integers, so obviously we can say x, y and z. X, y, z are positive integer as well. Can we say x, y and z are positive first integer? As x, y and this third side we assume these all are integral side. Okay. Then question said find the total number of integral value of the third side. So I need to calculate the how many value we can assume for third side. That means we need to calculate the value for z. Okay. So as why I am said earlier, this is the question which are merging of two concept here. This is a equation. So we need to calculate the equation or solve the equation, and another we have a triangle, so I need to be apply the property of triangle also. Okay, so let's proceed for this question. So as first of all we have to simplify the given equation. No? Okay, so let's understand friends here, as this equation is given to you. Okay, as this equation is given to you, this one x plus y equal to 76. Okay, so what to do here, we have just factorize this equation. How to factorize? We will collect the terms of x here, x plus y, or you can collect the terms of y. You can proceed by any one. So I just collect x plus y here and plus y equal 76. Then we take common x here. I will get 1 plus y, and left value is y is equal to 76. What to do? I already 1 plus y is common here. We just make the same 1 plus y here, but I don't have any 1 here. What to do? We just add 1 both sides. So what to do here? I just add 1 this side and 1 right side also. Okay, so 1 plus y also made here. After that we will take common. We will take common of 1 plus y. I will take common 1 plus y, this is here, and left value become 1 plus x, and right side become 77 next time. Okay, this is a procedure. Okay, now as we know that 77 is a product of these two factors. Which two are factor? 1 plus x and 1 plus y is equal to 77. So now understand here, I just factorize 77. How to factor 77? 77 can be expressed as 7 into 11 and 77 into 1. Only two ways to be factorize 77. We cannot factorize as minus 77 into minus 1 or minus 11 into minus 7, because already I mentioned x, y and z are positive integer, because x and y and z are the side of a triangle. Clear here? तो अब क्या करेंगे हम लोग यहाँ पे? We just equate any one of the factor with 7 and another factor as a 11. So what to do? I just write down 1 plus y is equal to 7, and so if 1 plus y equal to 7, y becomes 6, and 1 plus x equal to 11, so x become 10. This is one of the case. Another case here, 1 plus y is 1, because we can also express 77 into 1. If 1 plus y is equal to 1, so y comes here 0, and actually this is a 0 is an integer, but 0 is not possible because y is a one of the side of a triangle. So this is a not possible case. So I just So I just eliminate this case, so we left with only one case here, y is equal to 6, then x equal to 10. Clear? Okay, now move to next solution part of this question. Okay, so y is equal to 6 and x equal to 10. After that, so I also assume that is a third side of a triangle. So now here the time to apply the property of triangle here. Okay, so just use the triangle inequality. Okay, what triangle inequality said here, sum of the any two side always greater than the third side, because we need to calculate the range of z. We cannot find the exact value of z here. Okay, so sum of the any two side is greater than the third side, and difference of the any two side is always less than the third side. So what to do here, z is my third side, so z is always less than sum of the two side and always greater than the difference of the two side. So this is 10 plus 6 and this is 10 minus 6, so z, this equation, z is always less than 16 and always greater than z 4. So okay, so what are the values for z? As z is greater than 4 and z is integer, so we have 5, 6, 7 and up to which value? Up to less than 16. That means the maximum value of z would be 15. So z minimum value is the 5 or z maximum value would be 15. Okay, so we just calculate how many values for z here. Okay, so total values of z here 5 to 15. So just count all the values. Okay, so the answer come out to be 11. So this is the answer of my question. Thank you very much. Like if you understand that the